Dr. Neha Goyal, and my subject is Knowledge and Curriculum Perspectives in Education. The topic for today is supplementary books and workbooks. Workbooks. Workbooks are a specific kind of instructional material through which students are made to do their classwork and homework with playway exercises. They are based on the principle of learning by doing. They play a vital role in the concretization of the concepts presented in a textbook. These are practical type of books which help the learners to have a lot of practice in some selected items of learning. They provide large number of exercises like reading exercise, learning exercise, and writing exercises, etc. Importance of workbooks. Social studies. Pictures of different scripts of different countries and of the tools, etc. motivate the students to learn more. Language. In languages, different language items may be practiced by the students in different situations. All exercises of practical nature may center around vocabulary. Multiple types of learning exercises can be provided. Mathematics. By joining various dots and dotted lines, students can gain confidence in drawing various figures in mathematics. As mathematics is a subject of practice, so drill work can be done with the help of workbooks. Supplementary books. These are those books that are used in addition to the textbook. These books are used to develop specific skills like reading, writing, skill, languages, etc. Through supplementary books, knowledge about revised syllabus can be given to teachers and students. That is, which part of syllabus is deleted and what part is added. It also provides suitable material for learners' particular needs and interests. It provides extra practice in language skills like reading, writing, speaking, or listening. It gives training in independent reading and thinking. Types of supplementary books. Autobiographies and biographies. Autobiographies and biographies of great persons throw a flood of light on the social, economic, and political conditions prevailing in their period. They also serve as a great source of information. Historical fiction. They serve as a stimulus to the imagination, present opportunities for the exercise of critical faculties, and are helpful as supplementary material for creating interest in the past and widening the horizons of the understanding of the students. Magazines. Many magazines contain interesting and latest material on different matters which can supplement classroom information and enable the students to keep themselves abreast of latest development in various fields. Newspapers. Newspapers help in bridging the gap between information in the books and changing development. Trends, ideas, and changes in politics, international relations, and economic and civil life. Travel stories. Travel accounts of Buddhist Chinese travelers who visited India provide a comprehensive account of the social and cultural life of the people during that period. Their accounts are considered a valuable source of information. Thank you.